Welcome to the channel, UNG Tech. I hope you're going to enjoy this one with me. Today I want to talk to you in this video about Iron 2, a virtual guitarist from Ujam. And well, let's start with the video. Okay, here I have a small loop. C, F and G, just a very simple chord progression, 4-bar loop. Virtual guitar Iron 2 from Ujam. I just want to show you quickly. Here's the pickup, character, amp, drive, the focus, the width. Okay, but now in Virtual Guitarist Iron 2 you have off and on, and now you can set it for more width or lesser width for your stereo, and that's very nice. Now this is the finisher, and there you have a stomp box. You can have different effects that you can do here, and here the finisher, different effects and ambience that you can choose from. Your timing here, what's nice here, you can dehumanize. Here's more human and there is more tight, so if you put it a little bit more on this side, it sounds more human. If you want to put it to the original position, you can just click on Alt and then click. Okay, that's on the Windows version. Okay, here you have a little bit of swing, push and pull, speed, times 2, divides by 2, note on and stuff. Okay, this is very nice here. Here, when you click on this keyboard, it shows you exactly the layout of the keyboard and how everything is working. Player mode chord and the player mode note. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play a few presets here so you can hear how it sounds and everything. Okay, so this part here, you can go through all the presets there is. So as you can see, there is a lot of presets here. But you can also create your own. You can do all your settings, and this now it sounds and everything. Change this, change the stomp box, change the finisher. You can do anything here. And then after that, if you're happy with the sound and the style and everything, and here's the style, you can choose your style. Here's your styles, and here's your common phrases. So after you've done that, you can just say save as, and then you can save a new preset. Okay, so let's listen how it sounds. Okay, so I'm just going to play here. Okay, so this one is called Turn Me On. So I'm just going through the presets here quickly so that you can hear. Okay, here you can also go through the different style phrases. It is this style, but here you can click to hear the different style phrases on this style. Okay, and then of course you can change You can change the amp here. So you can play around with all of these settings, and like I said, on the end of the day you can go to save as and you can set your favorite setting here. You can save it as a preset then. Okay, let's listen how the alternative and punk some of their preset sounds. Okay, in here is the common phrases, the most common phrases that you get, so you can go through them as well. Okay, classic rock. Okay, some electronic. Okay, so as you can see, there is a lot of presets here. It will take ages to go through all of them, but as you can see, experimental, hard rock, and metal, modern pop, and then here's a nice one which is called pads that give you a lot of very nice effects. So you can try this out, and then you have your pop presets there as well. And tell me what you think of Iron 2 from Ujam, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. And I hope you liked the video, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.